Dirty Doubloon Cocktail. Imagine a cold, wet and dark night. A pirate returns from a long, hard voyage. He enters a shady and dark pub, all wet and muddy. Then he takes place at the bar and lays down some dirty doubloons. The bartender looks at the dirty doubloon and says, "Arr, dirty! I will make you a cocktail you won't forget." The bartender grabbed a bottle of Pisang Ambon. It's a banana liquor and it's really tasty. He pours in about 30 milliliters. Then he grabs some Irish whiskey and again 30 milliliters of whiskey. He also grabs some ice cubes and he crushed them. To make the cocktail even dirtier, he put in some Royal Club bitter lemon. Let's make this a little bit bitter. And he poured in about half the bottle. Now, to top it off with some pineapple. And there you have it. When the pirate finished his drink, he was never to be seen again. Oh no. He came back every night for that delicious, dirty doubloon cocktail. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my Dirty Doubloon Cocktail. I also want to thank David from Booze on the Rocks. He is an absolutely amazing cocktail maker, so go check him out. Booze on the Rocks. Oh yeah!